The last tool to in professional category is clone. It's very interesting. It's copy one part. As you can see, it tells you click to set a source. For example, I click and set a source from here. And then you can change the size of that brush in this, and it's just create a source around this size of brush that you click, and then you can click and drag. The source will be moving with your dragging your mouse, and it's cloning the part in the right, and the creator brush is in the left, and it's copy exactly that part of trees that you're dragging. Nice. So as you can see, our brush and the cloning source are not at the same orient, because this problem occur. So it's very important, for example, to align the source with the brush that you want to create, and then click and drag. And as you can see, we have exactly at align, and we can align our tree. Be careful about that. Don't place too much. And now you're copying our image of tree very easily. So this is our size. I bring my size, bring the source here. And as you can see, we have a softness in 100. It means the border are very soft. If you make it harder, you can just click like this, and it's not very good. So the softness is in some cases is good, in some cases is not good. And Control Z, you can come back. Strengths, it means 100% with clicking, pick the source from here and put it there. You can make it decrease the number. It means we have just a little fade of tree, and we have to brush to reach 100% of strength. So softness and strength, it's B2 in a full number, it's 100. So it's a clone. You can clone everything with this interesting software tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.